Good afternoon, Amy. The defense began its closing argument by saying this is a case about doubt, and there are enough doubts about Kat McDonough's testimony and her actions that night that Seth Mazelia should be found not guilty.
Doubts based on the integrity and quality of the evidence and the claims that were put before you, and doubts based on who put those claims before you and why.
Defense attorney Joachim Barth told the jury there are plenty of doubts about the testimony of the state's star witness. He likened Kat McDonough's testimony to 4 pillars and said if one starts to crumble, then everything falls down. One of the pillars, according to Barth, was that Seth Mazelia separated McDonough from her family as an example of his domination. Barth said that's not supported by the facts.
It was her choice and her circumstances that divided her from her family and not Seth Mazelia.
Barth said that McDonough needs the jury to believe a version of her as slave to Mazelia to explain her actions the night Lizzie Marriott died, such as not calling police and helping to get rid of the body. Barth said McDonough's claim that she was submissive to Mazelia's sexual demands is contradicted by the evidence.
I'm sorry, if tying him down to the bed, leaving bite marks, scratch marks, claw marks, bruises, if that ain't domination, what is?
The defense continued to cite other examples of what it said was McDonough's duplicitous and contradictory behavior. This afternoon, the prosecution will get its chance to characterize the evidence. Then the judge will give the jury their instructions, and the jury will return to deliberate. Reporting live in Dover, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.